Hello, and welcome back to the Colloquial Kitchen. I want to start out slow with the most basic of basic tools, the knife. There is no right knife. There's only the knife that's right for you. It's a matter of taste, a matter of preference, a matter of the size of your hands and the strength of your arms and the feel of it in your hand. Okay? Now, the chef's knife is the one that everyone talks about first, so let's talk about it. Okay? I prefer the European style chef's knife. Okay? This is an 8-inch blade. That's a good weight for me, good length for me. Mine is a Wusthof. It is about $200. And I will not recommend this knife to you if you're starting out. You need to learn what works for you before you spend this money. Okay? 20 years ago, I bought this entire block, all the knives, scissors, steak knives, $20 for the whole thing. Okay? These are not fancy knives, but they served me well for about 10 to 12 years. Okay? It was after I had been using this for that long that I'm like, okay, I know what I like. I know what I don't like. I know that I like the European style. I have had the Asian style, which is flat here and more curved here. Okay? I like this because I rock. Okay? Once I knew that this is what I like, and I've been very, very comfortable with this, I found this. This is heavier. It is shaped differently, but it felt good in my hand. Okay? So, first thing I recommend you do is go to the dollar store, go to Goodwill or St. Vinny's or whatever local thrift shop you've got. Buy a cheap knife. If you can get a set of cheap knives for $30, get them. Play with them all. Find out what you like. Okay? Spend a couple of years, if that's what it need be, to decide what you like about the knife, what you don't. Okay? You don't have to have a $200 knife in order to make good food. Makes it a little easier, makes it a little more fun, but you don't need it. So take your time, start out cheap. If you spend $5 on a knife and decide you don't like it, you give it to the thrift store and you're only out $5.